We'll guide you through how to move rows in Excel. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are in Excel. And so what you want to do is go and move rows. This is really convenient to do because you can go and see in my case here, this is in the wrong order. It goes 1, 2, 4, 3, 5. When I want it to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're going to guide you through how this can be done in this video. Come over to the left and you need to go and select the row you want to go and move. So you want to go and click it like so. So as you can see, we've now got it selected. Come onto your keyboard and you need to go and hold down the left shift key like so. Now with your cursor, go just below the cell where the line is and you want to go and move it until it goes to the cross as mine has, like this with the arrows on. Then click, hold and start dragging. And you can then decide where you want to go move it to. So I just want to move it down 1 in this case, but I can move it down further 1 to 2, then release. And as you can see, I've now moved it. But I could click, hold and drag, move it further if I wanted to as well.